Hello, welcome to the garden. Let's dig in. Let's continue with the light flowering lilies. I have some tetraploid OTs and Orientals flowering, and of course rose lilies. This is rose lily Anushka, and you can see that virus infection starts to show on the flowers because of the pink is breaking up. I have some lovely Casablanca this year. They're very nice and big. And this is one of my favorite lilies, Corvara, trade name Rio Negro, and it was bred by Sander Bayfay in the Netherlands. It's a nice cultivar. I still have Firebolt in flower, and I have Dutch Mountain. This is a white Oriental, and the flower is huge. It's lovely. Rose lily Natalia is opening up. Hocus Pocus. Which one is this? This should be Brasilia, but it's a different. No, it's Brasilia. Virus. And of course I have my other favorite, Lucky Queen, and this was supposed to be my wedding. It's not my wedding. Unfortunately, the kandas are in flower, and the garden party is opening up. It's a dwarf Oriental, and I can still do some weeding. It's always weeding, and some lovely flowers still. This is a Tiger Moon. It looks faded because of the very high UV we have and the rains. Actually, I have quite a few broken stems, and this is Guapa. And remember from last year, it turns a little bit pink. And I have there Laverne Freeman. It's a lovely tetraploid. The rest of the collection is now almost completely over. I have a couple of gladiolus in flower, some late OTs, some lovely trumpets from Guntis. This is a pink planet, and you can see the flowers are a little bit upright, and most of the lilies, as I said, are now over. Just a few tetraploid OTs. So this is Debbie. This one is Black Beauty, and this one is Beverly Dreams. And unfortunately, these tetraploid OTs need at least 1 year in the soil to flower, or maybe 2 years. It's a lovely plant. I just bought it as Robert Swanson, and that is not clearly Robert Swanson. Leslie Woodruff, Scheherazade, and the lovely Exotic Sun. People are always blown away by this cultivar. It's nice. I have some stuff prepared for a very unique view you will see later, and I have my Buddleia in flower, which I'm very happy. And still some lovely Aurelians from Anton Mego, my own seedlings. This one is fasciated, so it has a lot of flowers. But yeah, the lily season is slowly but steadily finishing. But my oleums are starting. So this is Millennium. This one is Summer Beauty, and Shara, and some petunias. Oh, and I have some interesting seedlings. This is very similar to some of Anton's hybrids. I presume they're all from the same parentage. And yeah, that would be all. Thank you for being here, and see you next time. Bye bye.